reaching for you. I'm in the bedroom. I'm in the Olympics where I'm jumping through. Running on, I finding nothing I wouldn't do. Trishonna, shut it! You guys, my lashes looks like they're finna fly off my face, and I don't think this is me, but they on here, so we gonna go with it. So, you guys, my name is Trishonna. I am all about business. I teach you guys how to grow your business, start your business, how to make cash flow, generational, anything, all things business. That is what we do. So if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Today's video is how to start a business step by step in 2021. How to start a business step by step in 2021. So without further ado, start the video. You little heifer. It wasn't recording. First thing you need to do when starting your business, okay, is come up with a business plan. Now, here's the thing. A lot of times people be like, I don't need a business plan. Yes, you do. Well, I got my own money and I don't need investors. You need a business plan. Yes, you do. Well, I don't need a... Yes, you do. Here's why. Let me tell you. Because there's no blueprint out there for quick-quies, bone quick-quies, okay, nail salon and spa. There's no blueprint that says that, okay? There's no why am I yelling? There's no blueprint that says Trishonna's business coaching. Ain't no blueprint for that, okay? There's no blueprint that says Ray Ray's lawn care service, Ray Ray's snow removal service. You need a business plan so you know exactly what you got going on, okay? From there, you need to know your projections, okay? How much is it going to cost you to start this business? What is this business going to make? What's my profit? What's my loss? How do you get there? Projections, expense sheets, okay? This is all part of a business plan. So you need to know your startup expenses. What is it going to cost from the rooter to the tutor? Shipping paper, wrapping paper, lawn, like whatever you need to run your business, you need to have a full expense sheet so you know exactly what you need to start, okay? That's major key. From there, you need to know your projections. What is your business looking at making the first year, second year, and third year? That is the importance of a blueprint, regardless if you need funding. Step 2, okay? Check around. Make sure the business name is available. Make sure someone else didn't trademark that. Make sure someone didn't buy your domain name, or how can you, figure it out. Is the business available? Can you register your LLC? Can you trademark this company? Now listen. You can run a business without it being properly licensed. You can do that. However, it gets tricky later on down the road. So the sooner you can do that, take care of that expense. Trademarking can happen further down the road as well. But if you feel like someone's going to come for your business name, or your business is so great and they take that, you're out of luck, and then you could potentially be sued. So that's just something to think about. I usually always trademark my businesses a little after I start. That's not usually the first thing I do, but you need to come up with your LLC, your EIN number. That is going to be your tax identification number. You need to have that. An EIN number is the same as a TIN number. You need to have that to run a business regardless. So you can go to irs.gov, something like that. I'll have the link below. Click on that and get an EIN number. If you need funding, you take this business plan that you created with your expense sheet and your projections, okay? You take this business plan and you look for micro investors. Micro investors, they usually cap around 50,000. They used to cap around like 150, but now they're like 50,000 or so. So micro investors, angel investors, okay? Hard money lenders. Another way, lines of credit, a business credit card, whatever you have to, a small personal loan, a non-secure loan, whatever you have to do to find funding for your business, do that. Scared money don't make money. So you have your business plan and your projections, okay? You got it registered, you have your EIN, your LLC, and now you're getting funding for your business. That's the bulk of it. From there, you need to create your social media handles, your email accounts, your Instagram, your Facebooks, and you need to get all those linked together. Your website. Make sure your website has your Facebook number in there, okay? Because if you do not have your Facebook code into your website, you will not be able to completely track where traffic is coming from. Also makes it trickier to do Facebook ads. Have all of those things linked together. Have your Facebook and your Instagram linked together, okay? So that way you can have shopping available directly from your Instagram. Branding. What is this business going to look like? okay? How am I going to get my message across? There's no such thing as competition, but you do need to stand out from what other people are doing. So you need to have your own specific colors, your own specific branding. Who's your target audience, okay? Who is Trishonna reaching out to as a business coach? Who is her audience? Is she reaching out to people who already have 6 figures in their business, they want to scale to $1 million? Or is she reaching out to people who don't even really have a business, but they want to start? Who is Quickwee's Nail Salon reaching out to? Okay, are you looking for people who are older, younger? Is it a spa for the older people, for the older women who want to feel pampered and loved when their husbands is out of town? Or is it for young girls who want to be out here zipping and zooing it? Okay, you need to know who your customer is and who you are talking to. Last but not least, what in the hell? Last but not least, you need to know what your promotion is going to look like. You need to know how you're going to announce that your business is coming. You can do that numbers of ways, okay? You can have affiliate marketers, you can have you can send your products to influencers, you can do so many different things, brand ambassadors, the list goes on and on and on. But you want to make sure that you are marketing your business properly. So these are pretty much the steps in 2021 to starting a business. Oh, TikTok, don't let me forget that. TikTok is huge. Reels now are huge. Video content is huge. And then just create all the time. You guys, it's not worth having this big bomb brand with no marketing behind it, because then no one's going to. It's like being ready to perform. You walk on stage and nobody's in the seats. Yikes. Also, I forgot your mindset. If your mindset ain't right, your business is. Why am I talking like that? If your mindset isn't right, your business is not going to be right. No, that's not me either. So yeah, make sure you have these things ready to go. Also, you guys, I have a bundle deal right now. I'm going to say that again. I have a bundle deal right now where you can buy all 3 of my courses to help you with all of these things. If you need a business plan, get my Business 101 ebook, okay? It talks about how to start your business. It has the full outline of what you need for your business plan. It talks about branding. It talks about opening your business bank accounts. It talks about all of these different things, okay, in this Business 101 ebook. And then I have a Post into Profit Instagram course. It teaches you about content, how to take pictures on Instagram, how to edit your pictures for Instagram, types of video content, types of content to post on Instagram. And then you guys have a self-employed project. So if you have a business and a 9-to-5, it's going to teach you how you can make money and leave your 9-to-5 while growing your business, you guys. And guess what? It's all wrapped into one with a ribbon on it. You get all 3 courses for one freaking price. The link is below. There's no excuse now, okay? No excuse. You know what you want, but you're not willing to do the work to get there. So don't let that be you. Do the work. Get the courses. It's going to take you maybe a day, 2 days if you're really locked in to go through all this information, but it's going to help you get started, you guys. Check this out. That is my gift to you guys. I am here for you if you need anything as well. Join my mentorship group. All my links is below, or just go to my Instagram at Trishonna. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you struggle in any of these areas, or if you have a business that you're excited to start. We want to know. Talk to us. See you guys in my next video.